现在小鸡长这么大还没做过摄影多，我也没去过沙漠，也没去过极地。
你社会课本里面写的地方，
你还有的是时间呢，你才几岁？
长这么高哎！
我们1年去1种地方，来设定的目标。
真假的？
那个巴西东北地区有一个州有一块地全部是沙漠。
我好像有看到这个。
通通。
那是蜂窝好大。
哪里有蜂窝？
右边。
哇！
那真的，为什么这些树在水里头都不会？
但也许干季它有，所以它大概适应了还是怎么样？
对，
这个如果是说，我想要知道为什么这个树可以在水
速度一慢，那个油的味道就出来。
有所谓的这个可以在水里头。
干嘛？我拍你，你拍我。
你拍这个。
这边是充满食人鱼的地方。
Careful with the spikes.
OK， 这边树是好多树。小心啊，这个会那个吃到人哈。
耶！
Ontem falando que vai passando logo o primeiro canisma logo. So finally we're in the shade.
Yeah.
The sun was so hot, so it's no use I take everyone today.
Yep.
Hot sun.
Thank
So
you.
let's try in this place. This will be our first spot.
Okay, first one.
You know our
Basically,
water
second.
it's very black. It's dark. Segura bem. Segura bem. So in this black rivers we have less and smaller animals. You know? So this is not the Amazon River. It's called Juma River, which has almost the same pH of the Rio Negro. The black water comes usually attracted by tannin that are evaded from tea leaves. So most of this vegetation that we have here, we have got tea leaves or leaves that contains tannin. The water is very warm, it's very acidic. So the acidity of the water comes from the incomplete decomposed of organic matter. So we have a continual state of decomposition in this place here. So because of this, we will obtain a pH of the water that can be between 3.4 to 4.5, right? Which is not conducive for the mosquitoes to breed. So we don't really have the proliferations of the mosquitoes. But then we have some few piranhas here. So the way how we fish, we have been identified in the Amazon over 20 different species of piranhas. So in this place, we might have the black ones, black spotted, white spotted, silver scale, dog piranha, right? So they are in this place here. So let me show how we will do our fishing, right? This is beef, monkey beef. This is cow meat, right? And we do it this way here. Look, I will put my bait this way on the hook. Carefully. If you don't want to touch this meat, just call me, or you can call. Let's meet our boat driver. His name is Fabiano. Let's say, "Hola, Fabiano."
Hola, Fabiano.
His name is Fabiano. Whenever you want, or we call him Coelho, rabbit. Right? So whenever we need anything, he can help us. We're here to help. So look how we fish. We do it this way here. I waggle the water first. It's exactly to attract the piranhas. Right? They hear the vibration. They come to see what's happening. And when I throw my meat, it will go in. If they are circulating here, they will smell the blood. Right? Like shark.
Yeah.
Shark can smell a tip of the blood in the water from more than 150 meters.
Yeah.
300 meters. This here, it can be half. So they're through here. If they're through here, they will come and smell my beef. When they smell my beef, they will nibble it. When you take a look always to your line, you will see it shaking.
Yes.
And you will feel the nibble. So when you feel the nibble, you give one Yankee sweeter. Right? Do not do this very strong. Do not push it there.
Yeah.
Right? Be careful. What you do is just lash the water, allow it to go deep as well as this height.
Yeah.
Do not put it this height, you wouldn't feel nothing. Leave it go down.
Okay.
So that when you feel the bites, you give one yak. And here comes one.
Whoa!
You see, everyone understand it, right?
Yeah.
Identify what kind of piranha it is. It means they're here. Right? Look. This color, it's white spotted. You see?
Yes.
So we can have bigger ones here, of course. Right? You need to be quickly. You need to be fast. When you feel the nibble, you give one yak and you hold it. Otherwise, we will just keep feeding. And it will become an eco fishing. Look, I will show you how the teeth is. Right? Look how sharp it is. Look. From far, look.
Oh,
wow.
You can imagine your fingers in here. So look, look.
像剪刀一样。
我没想过哎。
See? You want to take it for your garden killing. Look.
哎呀，
just like a
刀
scissor.
吗？片吧。
Who wants to put your finger inside?
No.
Yuji? Yuji? Look. See? So sharp. Look at the teeth. I want to eat you. So guys, this is the white species of piranha, right? It's black and white. Look, these have been already bitten from piranhas. See, look at the tail. So when you duck your hand right now, nothing happens. But if we were in a lake, isolated lake, they have the most aggressive in the Amazon is called red belly, or we call it in Portuguese caju. They're smaller than this, but their snout is longer. One bite is more than 10 bites. When you do this, it's 10 bites. It's
Oh my.
like a machine. You see how sharp it is, right?
Yes.
It's eaten like a carrot, right? So this marks you're seeing here, it was a sign that he had been attacked already, right? This doesn't grow big as much as 50 kg, 500 kg, half kilo. So it can be bigger. But the biggest out of all is called black piranha. We will have the chance to catch it today. I will just have some fish in here. Then we go to another place, another spot, so we can see if we can catch a bigger one. Okay? So in the meantime, we will just keep this, just in case we don't catch nothing. But I have a big confidence in you guys. I can trust everybody. Okay? Good?
Yes.
Fabiano will give now your rods. You see how I did it, right? Follow all my rules so you can get successful fishing.
Okay.
Good luck for everybody.
Thank you.
Vamos lá. Dá aí pra eles aí.